Alright, buddy, what are we unboxing today? We're unboxing a police station. And we're gonna put it together.
Yay!
Yay! Alright, so take it out the pieces. Ooh, what else we got in there? Yeah, we got one more piece in there. Look, we got the car, police car in there.
Okay.
Let's see how we can take that out. There you go. Rip the bag open. Now take the pieces out. Yeah. You gotta take this. I'm gonna open it and you take the piece out. Here we go. Here we go. After we put it together. So there we go. That's the first part. There we go. The first part. Now we need red.
Red right here.
Thank you. So this goes right here. Like that. Now we need a blue part.
Here we go.
We need a blue. Show me, we need a blue part. Give me blue. Not that one. Give me the other blue. Yeah, there we go. So this goes right here. Now we need a green part. No. Green. We need green. Where's the green part?
Right here.
Show it to me. Let's see. Is this the one? Nope, not this one. You need another green. Show me the other green part.
Right here.
Yep. Is this the green part we need? No, not this one. Now, one more green part. Where's the last green one? There you go. Good job. So put that right here. Now we need another red part. We need another red piece. Where's the other red piece? Good job. So we'll put that right here. Now we need another green piece.
Here.
Another green piece. Yep, good job. Can I have it? And that will go right here. And now we need another orange piece. No, orange. We need orange. Where's the orange piece? Where? Yeah, good job. Got another orange piece. That will go right here. There we go. Now we need, yeah, blue piece.
Here it is.
Yeah, good job. So this will go right here. And now, let's see what we need next. Oh, yeah. So this white piece goes
Right here.
no, it goes right here. Let's see how it goes up here.
Here it is.
There we go.
How about this one?
This one goes. So we need this green piece right here. Goes right here. See, it's like here it is. This goes right here. And you can move this up and down. So we got that piece right there. Let's see what else we need. Okay, this goes right here, like that. There you go. Yeah, that's how you do it, like this. Uh-oh, garage. 911. Wait. 911 goes right here, and police goes right here. See the stickers? Yeah, put these stickers on. These go right there. What other stickers we got? What other stickers we got? Oh, this. This goes right here. We got a sticker. What else we got? Where else is a sticker? Oh, we need a sticker right here. So this one. This one goes right here. That goes right there. And then we got another sticker. We got one more. And this one. Okay, hush, hush. Okay, hush, hush. And this one. Look, this one goes here. So where does this one go? Oh, this goes here.
How about this one?
This goes right here.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
it fell.
It's okay. What fell?
It goes right here.
It doesn't go there.
Why? Wheel. Daddy, here it is. I found it. Dad, I found a pizza.
That's what's missing. Yeah, that's what's
It goes right here.
missing. Yeah, good job. So we had a missing piece. Landon found it. So this goes piece right here.
It goes right here.
Yeah, it goes right there. You're right. All right, guys, gotta figure this one out. This is not cooperating with us.
Where's the card?
Ta-da, got it. See, there we go. We gotta connect this last part right here. There we go. There we got it. There we go. Now we're ready to fly. Here it is, like this. Police to the rescue! Whee!
Ow!
And it comes out like this. And look, you go like this. Look. Hey, you come here, you. I'm gonna get you. I got you. You go, I like that. You go like this and go. Woo. Yeah, lift it up. Lift it up. Whoa. Be gentle. You don't break the whole thing. Here you go. And look, you just go like this. Yeah. Whoa! Did you see that? Like this. There you go. Good job. And then look, he goes like this. Look, watch this. Whoa. Come here, you. Come back here. Okay. I'm gonna get you.
And 1, 2, 3. Master all the doubles. Bye, buddy.